Use home remedies for dark circles. When you've had a late night out, you may find yourself waking up with dark circles under your eyes. It's unsightly, not to mention unflattering. You may want to use over-the-counter beauty creams to treat the problem. However, if you've run out or you'd like to use a home remedy instead, here are some things you can try out. It's inexpensive and most materials and ingredients are readily available, so it can easily be done. Here's how to use home remedies for dark circles. Place a cold compress on your eyes. Reduce puffiness and dark circles under your eyes by using a cold compress. If you don't have one, get an ice cube from the freezer and wrap it in a piece of soft cloth, alternate pressing the ice cube over each eye. Do this for about 20 minutes each eye. Use 2 slices of cucumber. Cucumber is an anti-inflammatory and has an effective cooling action on the eye area. Get a fresh cucumber and get 2 slices. Place a slice each over each eye. Allow to rest on the eye area for about 10 to 15 minutes before discarding. You should immediately see results. Place tea bags on your eyes. After you drink your morning tea, place it in the refrigerator to cool down. When the tea bags have properly cooled, go ahead and place it over your closed eye. Be careful not to get any liquid in your eye area. Lie down and rest with the tea bags over your closed eyelids for at least 10 to 20 minutes before discarding. Wash your face with warm water after, to remove any tea residue. Drink a tonic of tomato juice, lemon, mint, and salt. Flush out the toxins from your body that may be causing the puffiness and dark circles under your eyes. In a small glass, combine 1 cup of tomato juice with a squeeze of lemon, salt, and a few sprigs of fresh mint from your herb garden. Drink the tonic. It's an excellent pick-me-up loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, and it will aid in flushing your system as well as reducing puffiness and dark circles in your eye area. Flush toxins out by drinking a lot of water. Make sure that you drink a lot of water during the day. Have at least 8 glasses of water. This will help remove any puffiness, swelling and dark circles that show on your face. Take pineapple juice and turmeric. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of pineapple juice with a teaspoon of turmeric. Get a few cotton balls and soak it in the solution. Place the soaked cotton balls over your closed eyelids and leave it on for 10 minutes. This effective anti-inflammatory will remove any dark circles. Get the juice of a cucumber. If you prefer, You can use the juice from a cucumber to treat your dark circles. Put the cucumber through the juicer and soak a cotton ball in the juice. Place this over your eyes and leave on for 10 minutes. You may also try potato juice. Since prevention is always key, you should always try to get as much sleep as possible. Ideally, go to bed no later than 10 p.m. and try to get 8 hours of sleep. If you are well rested, it will show in your eyes and face. Try any of these home remedies. It really works. Allow yourself some time in the morning to try any of these approaches. Most of the items need to be placed over your closed eyes for at least 20 minutes, so you may not have time to do it if you're in a rush.